In modern manufacturing, performance begins with the right building block. Behind strong engineered wood panels, durable plastics, and reliable industrial systems lies one essential raw material: formalin. Used by resin producers, wood panel manufacturers, textile finishers, oil and gas operators, water treatment plants, and laboratories, formalin plays a critical role in keeping production efficient and predictable. Our formalin is a high-purity aqueous solution of formaldehyde, stabilized at 37% for storage and controlled reactivity. It also functions both as a reactive feedstock in chemical synthesis and as an effective industrial biocide. But what does that mean in practical terms? How is formalin used in your process? At its core, formalin reacts. It forms strong chemical bonds. It preserves. It controls microbial growth. And it does so in a way that supports consistent, scalable manufacturing. In engineered wood production, formalin reacts to form urea formaldehyde, melamine, and phenolic resins. The result? Strong bonding, dimensional stability, and consistent panel performance. In advanced materials manufacturing, it supports the production of POM plastics, high-performance coatings, adhesives, and molding compounds, delivering durability for automotive and electrical components. In oil and gas, mining, and industrial water systems, formalin acts as an effective biocide, controlling bacteria, reducing slime formation, and protecting equipment from process disruptions. Across applications, the chemistry may differ, but the objective remains the same: reliable performance, controlled processes, and reduced operational risk. Our formalin is produced within a tightly controlled assay range, with optimized stabilizer levels and a low impurity profile. Each batch undergoes ISO-aligned quality testing, supporting predictable curing behavior and consistent downstream processing. With regional supply capabilities, flexible Incoterms, and diverse packaging options, we ensure continuity for your operations. Local stockholding and established sourcing strategies reduce risk and improve supply security. For procurement teams, this means reliability and lower total cost of ownership. Beyond supply, our technical specialists work alongside your team to optimize formulations, improve performance, and support compliance requirements. If you are reviewing your formalin supply or planning your next project, speak with our technical team today. Request a proposal or arrange a facility visit, and partner with us for safe, consistent, and dependable manufacturing.